Welcome to the series, The 100 Chakra System, Negative Energy Release Work, Initiation 1. This is Episode 4, Part 2. Ground, Center, Connect, Receive, Meditation. My name is Raven Shambhala, and this podcast series is the accompanying material for the book, The 100 Chakra System. You can find the link below. Find yourself sitting down or lying down in a comfortable position. Watch the flow of your breath. Meditation, ground, center, connect, receive. Activate your energy body and establish directional flow. Close your eyes. And allow your body to completely relax. In this meditation, we establish the direction of energy flow through intention. In this intentional practice, we activate different chakras and create a directional flow which activates our energy body. This is the first step in energy healing, activating your energy body flow. Become aware of the first chakra at the base of the spine. Send a line of energy down and down and down and into the center of the earth. Inwardly affirm, I am safe, I am grounded. I am safe, I am grounded. On your next inhalation, draw energy up and into your heart chakra. Imagine your whole chest is flooded with white light. This is your beaming center. I center myself in my heart chakra. I center my perception. I attune to love and compassion. I am love, loving, and beloved. I am love, loving, and beloved. Become aware of the top of your head. This is where your crown chakra is. Visualize your crown chakra as a ring of light around the top of your head. The Christians call this the halo of white light. Activate your halo of white light and extend a line of energy. Connect. Connect up and up and up. Connect up and into the level of your higher self. Your higher self is that aspect of you that rests in divine source. Connect in at the level of your higher self. And then draw to you now what you would like to receive. I now receive loving myself. I now receive feeling safe in a changing environment. I now move forward. I create. I'm a creator. I now receive power and love and creative expression. I now receive positive thinking. I now receive patience. And imagine that these energies, or any energies that you need, calming down, abundance, is coming down and into your body, and you are filling with love, with light, with peace, with joy. This verbal or intentional catchphrase will activate your energy body and establish energy flow. Memorize this catchphrase. ground, center, connect, receive, ground, center, connect, receive, ground, center, connect, receive. Visualize the energy flow pattern. From the first chakra at the root, energy flows down. It touches the center of the earth and flows up and up to the heart. It touches the heart and flows up and up to the crown. It activates the crown. And up and up and up, well beyond our dimension, to a higher frequency and connecting. And then visualizing the energy is being received, coming down your specific center line channel, coming down and down. You are receiving. White light energy healing, pranic flow, Reiki energy coming into the body. Ground, center, connect, receive. Om, peace. Amen. Namaste.